you want to open it? Right here. Wow. Let's show it to them. That's an on-the-go activity playset ages 3 to 6. That's preschool to kindergarten. Mom. What do we have here? So in this playset, we have, let's start from this one. We have 3 puzzles, stickers, we have a small coloring book, and you can put stickers on the drawings. What are you trying to get there? The crayons? And then we have memory match. One pencil. We have an activity fun book, write and reuse book. And we have dot to dots number activity book.
Yay.
We also have here a marker, a black marker, crayons, which he already took out. And we have here another activity booklet. It's a word search right there. What's this? Look, in the chicken coop, find and circle the hidden pictures. Yeah. Why? Oh no. It's okay. All right. Hold your marker. Hold your marker. Find the hidden pictures. Can you find the apple? Here. Where's the apple? Look for the apple. Can you find an apple? Look for the apple.
Mom,
Where? Right here. Circle the apple. Circle.
No.
Right here. That's an apple. It's hiding. No, it's not. That's a hen. Chicken. Yeah, apple. Right there. Circle the apple. Good job. Next one. Yep. What's this? Comb. Look for the comb. It's hiding somewhere. Right there. Circle. Good job. This. And then the ball. Where's the ball? Look for the ball. Can you find the ball? Right there. The ball is right there, right next to the eggs.
Baby.
Yes, right there. It's a white ball. Right there.
Baby.
Circle. Like this. Good job. It's crayons. Oops. Oops. Okay. Let's take out everything. What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. This one.
Red.
Red. This one.
Black.
Brown. This one.
Green.
Green. This one.
Red.
Black.
Black.
This one. Orange. Yellow. Good job. And
Red.
purple.
Mom.
you need to connect the dots. That's a turtle. What's the color of the turtle? Green. Let's connect the dots. You start with number 1, this one. 1, and then connect it to number 2. And then what's after 2? What's after 2? 3. Connect it to number 3. And then what's after 3? 4. You connect it to number 4. Good job. And the last one is 5. So you connect number 4 to number 5. Like that. Good job.
Red. Red.